The 2025 Volkswagen Crafter with Sortimo Installation offers an innovative solution for businesses that need a flexible and organized workspace on the go. The collaboration between Volkswagen and Sortimo has led to a highly customizable van setup, perfect for tradespeople and service providers. The new Sortimo system, dubbed One-Click Endless Possibilities, allows users to easily reconfigure shelving and storage based on changing needs, ensuring maximum efficiency and organization over the life of the vehicle. This is a game changer for industries like HVAC, electrical, and plumbing. Inside the Crafter, the updates include a redesigned cabin featuring a 10.3-inch digital cockpit, with the option for an even larger 12.9-inch screen. This advanced infotainment system, complete with ChatGPT integration, brings smarter voice commands and more intuitive interaction with the van's features, enhancing the user experience. Volkswagen also emphasizes safety with features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, making the Crafter not only functional but also safe for drivers spending long hours on the road. With its practical interior and Sortimo's adaptable racking, the 2025 Crafter is ideal for modern professionals.